How to make a collage on Instagram story. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can make a collage on Instagram story. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now go ahead and tap on the plus icon. Now select the story tab. Over here, find the option of layout, select that. Now you can select your preferred layout from here. After that, you can either take a picture or simply put one from your gallery. In this way, you can easily create a layout. Once you're happy, simply tap on this tick mark option. Now, as you can see, your collage is ready. This is one way to make a collage. The second one is simply tap on the create option. Select your preferred background from here. After that, tap on the sticker icon. Now select photo. Add however many photos you want. After you're happy, you can simply tap on the Your Story option, and in this way you can easily make a collage on Instagram story. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.